because those shit are expensive. Understand? Those shoes are expensive. Those shit are expensive. So a car is not expensive. The maintenance is not expensive. If ever it's expensive on you, it means the car you're driving, it's not at your level. Change the fucking vehicle. Even a Polo, man, can be expensive for someone who don't have cash at all. Just bought a Polo with 60,000. Yamafelelo. Otro feel maintenance a Polo. You get a point? So there is no way, man. There's no way, man. But you see at 7.5 Mfanaga, you need to be like too brave enough. This car, it's my man. This is my fucking slave queen, man. Imagine the rep is like 25,000. Rep fella.
Have you been looking for a reliable broker or looking to upgrade to a safer broker that values its customers and has a history in the industry? Well guys, look no further than AAA FX. This broker has 14 years industry experience. This means they've been in business from over a decade, and their ability to work with the customer is amazing, as they make the customer success their top priority. AAA FX is an online broker that is based in Athens, Greece, founded in 2008, and it has traders in 176 countries around the world. On their platform, there are over 200 instruments to trade. They offer 3 trading platforms, of which it is the most popular one, MT4, and the next generation platform, MT5, and the most advanced technology platform, Trader. You can trade using your desktop devices, laptops, iOS, Android cell phone, and tablet, so that you can be able to execute those trades while you're on the move. As of 2022, they are current winners of the most transparent broker by UF Awards. Why should you join them? Well, I'm gonna tell you why I chose to join them. Well, besides having my favorite instruments, which are the currencies, since I'm a forex trader, you also find instruments like indices, which works great for me since I also trade Nasdaq and US 30. There are shares in spot metals and a vast number of other CSDs and commodities you can choose from. When I make my deposit, I receive a 100% deposit bonus, which means I've got nothing to lose but something to gain. And you can make your deposit at the minimum of $100 only. One thing that stands out about them for me, it is that since I'm a forex trader on over 70 currency pairs, they've got 0 pip spread and also 0 commission upon executing your trade. AAA FX team of professionals are available to assist you 24 hours from Monday to Friday for any challenge that you may come across. Furthermore, AAA FX has a Zulu trade copy trade system, which allows you to copy the trade of the professional traders who have been trading in the industry, and also saving you time and hassle of having to analyze and always in front of your screen. So you can just copy any successful trader's trades on their system. As the Zulu trade system ranks each and every trader's success rate over a period of time, you can also copy the trades of that successful trader on that given week. So take it from me, Mr. Forex and beyond, and place your first trade with AAA FX in less than 15 minutes. And before you do that, you're gonna need to register with them, of which it takes only a minute. And these are the following documents that you're gonna need: your ID photo, your proof of residence, and you can deposit instantly using their over 10 methods of deposit available on their system. And from there, you can start your successful trading journey. And for more details or to register, click the link in the description box and start trading, and let your trading journey begin. Good luck.
The only way I can help you guys with patterns or whatever, it's when you text for services like lessons and anything, understand? I'll help you. That's my work, to help you. So if neither it's not those things, then I'm not gonna help you. Handle stability driver ya. Zo for when I'm soon. I know go chase away on nagidike. I got to spell away. Na guys wa mamarla kolo ya ka betha break tlo utlwa tsori bethanga mo mora kwi o same time. That's me. drive from car, no. And learn a jig. Careful. Bafana ba tonight, bafana ba kajeko. Yeah. Man, have you ever think you're hitting a brick, man, and you feel like it's enough? Only to find out it's not enough. So you have to hit it again. That's bad. Sebenza kakhulu. Fake azul. I like those popcorns. I don't have any popcorns. Guys, my car, it's stock. Everything is stock. I haven't put anything on it. But I'm gonna do it soon, not now. Now I still love my car for those kind of things. Oh, 15,000. You do feel like I'm trading a demo account. Yo, 15,000 inside. From 1K, 15,000. Yo, trading, man, made things easier. I like trading. Trading is one of the best things in the world. You just have to give it time. You guys don't understand what is trading, Man, I just made 15,000 from 1K, took 2,000, made 8K, took 1K, made 17K. You get the point. The difference between me and you is that I can take a small amount and make a lot of cash, and which you really want to do, you understand, but you're failing. And then we'll know hands on soon. That's the one good one, guys, that I'm selling to people and they're gonna fuck me up. Hey. Plus equal, you get the point. Maybe they don't get it. Maybe they get it. It's between the two. So I don't know if you guys get the point. At the end of the day, there's no another point than that. Guys, when I get out on my car, I always escape because people be like, "Oh, are you Nasdaq ninja? Can you teach me how to trade?" I'll be like, "Yo, let me get out fast. Nobody has to see me because you wanna go to the crib now." So that's how it is, man. It was Peter Young. I like that spirit, bro. It's a spirit that I wish for. Money, man. Hey, problem or was Peter, so no, I can understand what I said. Then so, what do you want to borrow this one? Eh? Eh, borrow. What's boring you? What's boring you? Eh? What up? Inge? What's pansal, sir? I grow na Musadi wantu Musadi. Monna mutsamai wantu na ratsamai wena what's Musadi wa utlwa le bolela tsatso o sale Musadi wantu sepedi se segolo seo. If you don't know Spedi, then I don't know. That's how Pedi says Musadi wantu ke monna walapa. I'm saying that what? Why? Why? Because what? Because what? So guys, I think I'm gonna go off. I'll see you guys.